Based on the above table, I want to know who are my top salespeople. For all those people who've got sales over $1 million for the year, and I want it in descending order. So I want the top salesperson at the top, and all I want is their name and their sales. Well, this is how I will do it. First of all, I'm going to do the filter function, like so. That's my array. I'm then going to do it based on my total sales by salesperson is for the year of 2023 is greater than $1 million. Close the bracket. That then gives me the sales, but I only want the person and that. So the way that I'm going to filter this down and sort it is I'm going to do another filter. So wrap that filter in another filter. And I'm just going to go as far as my include. I'm going to do open squiggly bracket. I want the first column. I'll then do comma. I don't want the second or the fourth, but I want to include the last column. Close squiggly bracket, like so. So that's now filtered that. I want this to be currency, like so. But now I want to sort this. So again, I'm going to wrap that in a sort. So I'm going to go sort. That's my array. I'm going to sort it by column 2, and I'm going to do it in descending order, like so. Boom. Now, the added advantage of using this filter functionality is that it's completely dynamic. So if I go into Bill Street, who is just under the $1 million mark here, and let's say there was an error here and I changed this to 600,000, hit return, you can see now that Bill has now been added and is third in the list. Now, obviously the next thing you can do with this is we could create a pie chart off this. So if I take this and I do insert, let's do pie chart, let's do 2D, and there you go, total sales for 2023. Top sales 2023. Right click on the chart to add data labels, like so, and there you go. And again, should all be completely dynamic, like so. I hope you found this video useful, and please remember to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, as it really helps us bring more content like this, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye bye now.